3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
On est trop lent pour le tag doorway là.
Ah, monsieur.
I think I'm really happy with everything. We actually executed the plan as we wanted. A few adjustments from yesterday practice race. There is still many things to improve, but the team did a really fantastic job, and we just work on the details, and it's always great to get the first win of the series.
Yeah, we missed the entry, and after that we were not able to take the strategy of the start correctly, so it put us under pressure, and we just need to do things better.
Start touching. Racing.
Action. Right, then we're on it.
It's the left face, so if they go, we probably want to really
Yeah, just get in the middle of the car.
grip is even.
On the last, it's 10 away, then 10.
Lost the boat.
Got high five.
We no boat.
Lost the boat.
Got high five.
We no boat.
Race committee copies.
Do we have to finish the race? Rossa, is that it?
Yeah, I'm not sure
I
actually.
don't know if they retire, but we might as well keep sailing it. Don't make us out of racing.
Yeah, must have been an electrical issue. I'm 99% sure it was an electrical problem. Basically, we had no functions on the boat working for something like 20 seconds after the tap. So, yeah, it was not ideal. A little bit scary as well when you have zero control of the boat. Luckily, it happened in a moment where we could get control again. It was not a better way or around that, but yeah, not ideal.
Big pressure goes turning up. Turning up. Everything we got, guys. Everything you got. BMG. Looking for a couple of roads. Okay, my truck. They're in a high mode then. High mode there. We've got 45 to about 3. Yeah, keep coming out. Turning Jim all that way.
You got it? 3,
Yep.
2, 1, roll clear.
Okay, coming down hard. Losing in the sky. Big boys, big. Overday. Coming down. Turning up. Yeah, no, the shore team did an amazing job overnight. Obviously, yeah, you crash down at 43 knots. And that much water going over the deck, there's a lot of damage. And so the team did an amazing job just checking over everything. Boat worked perfectly today, and yeah, we're on the board.
Yeah, great conditions out here. I mean, just perfect. You couldn't ask for anything better. And again, Barcelona have done a great job hosting us. And yeah, great sailing with Dylan. He's a class act, great communicator. You know, we sailed a reasonable race. You know, we got that first cross, but just lacking a bit of horsepower. So, got to get the boat back to the shed. Think about what we're doing wrong, how we can get some more pace.
4 down again a bit. 2, 1, 4 down. He had a bad entry. Oh, we have all the time in the world.
Bottom numbers, no slower. Keep the speed.
This is the umpires for us to restart.
Pas beaucoup de marche sous la Z-Rocker, je redresse, Mac.
Clock's down. And turning right.
Yeah, it was. I mean, it was pretty much all over in the start when the French fell off the foils in the entries. But yeah, we worked on a couple of manoeuvres and boys sailed the boat well.
Leading left. Sorry, you made it. My well? 2, 1, come on. Left action. On the main.
He's going to have to go.
Pushing here. Take alarms. Good. They are driving now. Okay, 15 down. Okay, gets lay like this. Back on the BMGs again as he gets up here. Coming down again. Nice boys. Okay, at the moment. That's nice. Like a little bit of pressure on Henry. Pull away if you can. Big boys. Okay. Two border. 2 boards, yeah, here in 5. Okay, bearing away here in 2. Down.
Yeah, you will.
Okay, coming down hard. Losing in the sky. Big boys, big. Overday.
5 seconds in them. You got it? 3,
Yep.
2, 1, roll clear.
Okay, coming down hard. Losing in the sky.
Allez, on baisse.
Allez. 3, 2, 1, clear. Everything away.
Nautical miles.
Coming down at 3 negative. Okay. We are on board. More pressure than that. Not have the same pressure.
Là pour l'instant c'est du gros gain, faut rester dans cette gust.
Lost the boat.
We're in no boat.
Lost the boat. Lost the boat.
We're in no boat.
Lost the boat. Lost the boat.
We're in no boat.
Come the jeep, come the drive.
Tap in.
Stand by, guys. 3, 2, 1.
You please confirm that you have retired so that we can open up the comms.
Before reaching here.
8 Granny's 50.